most personal, all signs collective, all that I need to know. So let's start with you guys. What is happening in your connections? No reversals for today. Let's start. What is happening? So right now the lovers card, you guys are feeling the connection you guys are part of, regardless if you guys are in separation or not. You guys do feel connected with this person, okay? Even if there's been no communication for a month or more, I still feel you are thinking about this person, or you still feel connected to them. You still feel like you still have feelings for them, and you are not being able to completely let go of the energy, even if this person has nothing to do with you anymore, okay? One more card. What is happening in your life for the next couple of days? With death card, you guys are definitely going through changes, or you guys will be going through changes. I know you've been trying hard to control your life, to stabilize your life, to stabilize your thinking, to control your way of moving about. And I do feel the changes are coming in. Okay, with the death card, there's going to be transformation. Death is not always about endings; it's also about transforming yourself for the better good. Okay. One more card. I'm getting all major arcana cards here, darling. This is a major shift that's going to be coming in your life. With Nine of Swords, I also feel for some of you, you guys are not getting proper sleep. You guys might also get bad dreams. Doesn't have to be bad always, but dreams that are like enough to keep you awake at night sometimes. Okay, and I do feel you are overthinking right now. You do not have that peace of mind. Okay, so one kind of advice for you people. One kind of advice for you people. One kind of advice for all of you, I believe that regardless of your connection, good or bad, ended or still there, I see something new coming in pretty soon. Regardless if you believe in it or not, I do see you guys meeting a new person. So if you are worried that you're gonna stay single, or things are never gonna change in your life, I do see some positive changes coming in your life. Okay. Now coming back to your person, what is going on with them? Coming on to your person, what is going on with them? With Page of Pentacles, I do believe this person is extremely focused on their finances. I don't see this person having the energy or time to deal with connections. Okay, even if they come forward, they might message you, communicate, but they do not have much to offer. Okay, besides communication. One more card for what is going on in their life right now that you need to know about. With the Sun card, this person is after success. This person is after making their life whole. They are wanting to run after whatever makes them happy. Okay, finances, work life, whatever it is. It's majorly have to do about work. So I believe this person is on its way to be more successful, to be more someone who is wanting to level up in terms of their financial life or their career, their work, whatever they do for earning. Okay, how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? One card for that, please. Give me a clarifier. The Star card, trust me or not, they still want to believe and have that hope and faith that this is still on. Okay, with the World card, they do think that you guys are in separation, there's a lot of distance, but they do not want to think of it as something that's over, or over and done. Okay, they do want to still have that hope that this can still be worked, this can still get back. And with the World card, I see them looking at you as their world, as their happiness, as their wish fulfillment. Okay, one more card is to what are their current feelings towards you, their current feelings towards you. In terms of feelings, they feel extremely addicted and obsessed with you in a very toxic manner, like they cannot free themselves or they cannot stop thinking. With the Queen of Cups, that doesn't mean it is just sexual, it is emotional, but at the same time, Sometimes it's too much. They are not being able to concentrate on their work life or their whatever financial life. The reason why they stay away from you is because sometimes they get distracted. I don't want you to think negatively about it. Sometimes people think differently, right? So yeah, in terms of how do they view you now, with King of Cups, they know deep down that they have feelings for you and you have feelings for them. Okay, they know that this was a connection that was meant for them, but due to certain reasons things do not go well. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now, in terms of their intentions. With Ace of Wands, they do want to restart. I do not know when exactly, but overall mindset, they are missing you. Okay, they do miss you. They do think of you. They do miss the good old times, all that past memories that you guys have spent, all the good ones. With Two of Wands, they do miss the connection, but I don't think they have a lot of time or a lot of they cannot possibly let go of what they are doing right now to move towards you, because right now they are overwhelmed by their own personal life. I see their work life keeping them busy, to be honest. Okay, there's no harm in that. I know there are certain people who think love is everything. Darling, love is needed, but at the same time you need to make yourself financially stable to even think of something, right? So I hope you understand that. And your person right now wants to fix their financial life, wants to get more stable for your own good, and so that they could offer you something big. Okay, right now they are not in a position to offer you anything. They might possibly talk to you, communicate with you, but I don't see a lot happening. Okay, and I'm not a reader, or this channel isn't about giving you false hope. I'd rather speak what I see than speak about fake shit to get likes and views. Okay, one more card. For in terms of what action they want to take towards you, now. With the Chariot card, I do feel they do want to come forward. Okay, they do want to come forward. With Chariot card, Chariot is about planning. It is about wanting to move forward. It is about like knowing that the connection can go somewhere. They are positive about it. But when, I do not know, because they are planning about it. They are in this planning stage. Okay, one card for where this is going for now. Where is this going for now? Yeah, with Seven of Swords, I still see some delays, to be honest. Reason being, your person isn't exactly completely ready to face you up. Honestly, they will have to come with a plan as to why they've been ghosting you, or why this is not working, or why they've been away, doing something else. So they may stalk you for a bit before coming forward. So I see some delays, to be honest, but they are watching you. Okay, what can you expect from this connection for the next couple of days? What can you expect from this connection? But the Emperor card, I believe you both are wanting to get back control of your life. You both are trying to hold on to it, but at the same time, not do shit about it. Emperor doesn't do shit. Emperor will sit in its position, wanting things to get fixed on its own, not doing anything about it. Okay, so I see you bit in your pride, in your ego, but I don't know, but if you're wrong or right, but I do feel you both are not wanting to compromise a lot. Okay, in terms of what you can expect from them, now. With Page of Swords, they'll stalk you for a while. They'll definitely stalk you for a while before coming forward. So if you're expecting this person to message you today, tomorrow, that might not exactly happen. They might come forward, but they might take their time. How long, I can't really speak about it on a general reading, but in the next coming week at least, I do see them coming forward. With the Chariot card, it's about in a week. Okay, so one card. So what are they hiding from you right now? Right now, they are overwhelmed by their own personal life. They have too much on their plate. They cannot deal with this right now. Okay, and if even if they come forward like today, tomorrow, they might not have much to offer. They might not have much to say. So you should wait. You should have the patience. Give them some time. Let them sort their shit. Okay. Top card we have is Wheel of Fortune. This is definitely coming, but at its own time. Divine timing that should actually exist. Okay. Uh, one card for their energy towards you. One card for their energy towards you now. With Nine of Wands, they're definitely not completely being open to you, but they're not completely giving up either. Okay. Top card we have is Nine of Cups, and bottom card we have is Page of Wands. So I do feel they do want a message, they do want to continue this, but at the right, at this time, they are not in a position to come forward. They are wounded. They have lots on their plate. They do not have the time for fixing this right now. Don't get offended. Try to think practically. Okay. Yeah, if you're too immature to handle a relationship, then such relationships are not for you. Go for easier ones. Okay, I'll be very honest. One more card for what should you be knowing about this connection that you're being a part of. Okay. Unfinished conversation. So this person will definitely come forward. There's unfinished conversation. This person could have reached out, wanted to speak about something, but that then never happened. Okay, this person is definitely coming forward to give you a brief idea as to where this is going. One more card. Okay. Not ready, but don't doubt my intent. Not ready, right? Just like I told you, my cards don't lie, I say. This person isn't ready for this right now, but don't doubt my intent. Okay, heartbroken over you, damn, this is the worst. So this must be the worst breakup they are ever a part of or have been a part of. Even if they are not behaving that way or pretending that way, doesn't mean shit. Okay, they don't have to prove to you that they are heartbroken. It's obvious from the cards that they are not in a good space right now. Yes, they might be running after money, success, but you can't blame them. Everyone wants to be financially stable. Okay, no one gives a fuck about you if you're poor, to be honest. No one gives a fuck about you if you're not having a stable job. Okay, the love and all works in novels and shit, but in real life you gotta have stability. You gotta have your own things for you to even move in a connection, or even take it to be taken seriously. I hope you understand that. Okay, so let's take love messages. Love messages from your person. Please hit the like button, guys. It really helps my channel. So if you don't mind, please hit the like button. What should you be knowing about this connection? What is your person wanting to say to you at this very time? Okay. This connection is not for me. I'm weak. So that this person in the past might have believed the fact that this connection is not for them. They are too weak, or they are not meant for something this strong. Okay, I never said it before, but you do mean a lot to me. Okay, that is one. Okay. Sexual thoughts, the devil. So they do think sexually about you as well. I believe you also think sexually about them. I truly can't let you go. Okay, that's their energy. I truly can't let you go. And yeah, that's your reading for the next couple of days. If it resonated, do comment. Do let me know what you think about it, where your connection is going. You could also reach me out on WhatsApp regarding your situation, but do not expect a free reading. I hate that shit. Okay, you want a reading? Let me know about it. My charges are up on Etsy. If you are Indian or from any other country, please do the conversation in terms of your um, possible currency. Okay, and yeah, thank you for coming in. I hope to see you soon, guys. All those who are on Instagram, kindly follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of good stuff there. So yeah, a follow would be greatly appreciated, and a like on this channel and a subscribe. Okay, please support it as much as you can, and I'll support you as much as I can. Thank you so much. Cheers.